In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Google Tag Manager code to HubSpot content in HubSpot. This process is essential if you want to track your marketing efforts effectively. By including Google Tag Manager, you can manage all your tracking codes in one place, making it easier to analyze customer behavior on your site. Let's walk through the process together. First, we need to head over to HubSpot. If you haven't done so already, log into your account and make your way to the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Trial Guide section. This is where we'll begin our setup. Once you're in the Trial Guide, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear or wrench symbol, and give it a click. This is your portal to all the back-end features of your HubSpot. After you've opened Settings, you'll want to locate the Tools option. It's usually situated in a prominent area for easy access. Clicking on Tools will present you with various options to manage and enhance your account's capabilities. Next, we'll move on to the Content option. You'll see it listed as one of the choices once you've clicked into Tools. Content is crucial since it's where the Google Tag Manager code will eventually reside, so click on Content and let's keep going. Now, once you're in Content, we need to take another step. Click on Pages. This area is vital because it houses all the pages of your website that you can edit and manage. Pages are the heart of your site's content, and by ensuring you're in the right place, we can proceed with the integrations needed. Moving forward, you'll notice an option for integrations listed within the Pages section. Clicking on Integrations opens up a suite of possibilities where HubSpot allows you to connect with other platforms. This is where we will get to integrate Google Tag Manager with your account, so click here. In the Integrations menu, you should see the option to Integrate with Google Tag Manager. Clicking on this option will bring up the interface needed for the final steps in connecting your HubSpot site with Google Tag Manager. Here, follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the integration process, ensuring that the code from your Google Tag Manager account is correctly placed. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Google Tag Manager code to your HubSpot content. By following these steps, you can now enjoy enhanced tracking and a hub for all your analytics needs. This setup empowers you to make data-driven decisions based on precise insights into how visitors interact with your site. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide useful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your HubSpot experience.